Hey everyone, what's up? Got something pretty cool to show you today. The Keychron C3 Pro. Been messing around with this keyboard for a bit, and I'm seriously impressed, especially for the price. If you're looking for a customizable mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank, stick around. This thing is rocking the QMK via open source software. Now, that might sound techie, but trust me, it's a game changer. It means you can completely reprogram every single key. Want to create custom shortcuts for your favorite games or software? Easy peasy. Want to tweak the backlighting to match your setup? Done. The level of customization here is insane. And speaking of typing, the C3 Pro uses a gasket mount design. Basically, it means the keyboard plate sits on gaskets, which gives it a really nice, flexible feel. Combined with the sound-absorbing foam inside, typing on this thing is surprisingly quiet and smooth. It's a really satisfying experience. Now, for the gamers out there, this keyboard boasts a 1000 Hz polling rate and NKRO. In simpler terms, it means lightning-fast response times and no ghosting, even when you're mashing multiple keys at once. So, no more blaming your keyboard for those missed shots. Switching between macOS and Windows is a breeze too. Just a quick key combo, and you're good to go. Plus, it works with universal keycaps, so you can customize the look and feel even further. The keycaps themselves are double-shot ABS, which means the legends won't fade over time. They're also shine-through, so the red backlighting looks really cool. And you've got over 14 different backlight modes to choose from, so you can find one that suits your style. One thing I particularly like is the compact TKL layout. It's a tankless design, which means it ditches the number pad. This saves a ton of desk space, which is perfect for smaller setups, or if you just prefer a more minimalist look. Honestly, the Keychron C3 Pro is punching way above its weight class. You're getting a ton of premium features, like the gasket mount, QMK via support, and a high polling rate at a price that's hard to beat. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of custom mechanical keyboards, or just want a solid, well-built keyboard for gaming or everyday use, I highly recommend checking this one out. It's a real winner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.